Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories, and yet again I have an incredibly special project to share with you today. This one was created by my friend and super amazing student, Jody Gears. Thank you again, Jody, so much for allowing me to share this with everyone. You have created an absolutely beautiful book. She used Mintay Seaside paper collection. Her captivation, is that a word, for this collection has just blown my mind. She matted this beautifully with that gorgeous paper. She's got some striped wood grain going here on the back. And then she did some layering here. And I believe she fussy cut around a lot of these images. I love the dimension and the simplicity, but it's also so elegant and gorgeous at the same time. Jody, you're incredible. And she actually used the Mighty Mini Album tutorial designed for this. And I'll leave that as a link for you to watch down below. Totally free to watch on my website. No ads. You can just click it and start watching right away. I love the way that she just completely did this up. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. She's got a beautiful twist tie closure there with some tiny little brads. There's an on-page pocket right here as well. And she used that gorgeous Stampin' Up! Tab punch that we all love. Look at, she even added dimension inside of this little insert. I've never thought to do that before. Wow. Piecing the papers together. Gorgeous little, oh my gosh, bits and pieces. This is so cute. The cardstock she used is so unbelievably quality as well. I'm totally digging this. Wow. She's got some fussy cutting going on here. It seems as though this was part of the page and she kind of just extended it outward. I've never seen this be done before. Look how she's got that rope kind of going right there on the black cardstock, making it all kind of look like it wraps around. That is so gorgeous. Let's open inside here. Let's see what she did. This is gorgeous. I got to see this actually in person at the in-person live event that we hosted here in my hometown. So it was a blast. Look at that 5x5 spot. She's got these gorgeous little 5x7 stamps. So you can fit a ton of 5x7 photos in this one. So it's 5x7 specified. Look at this gorgeous fussy cutting job here. Or it might even be ephemera, but that is a beautiful cluster there. Just gorgeous, popping off right off that solid page. Love the little 2x2 spot that she added right there. And then some more little fussy cutting images. She dimensionalized. Look at this. I make up words if you haven't been here with me before. This has got dimension and it's on the interior inner workings of this entire flap construction here. Never seen that before. I'm gonna have to start trying that out. I think that may be her signature because that is pretty. Wow, look at this. 5x7 waterfall on the inside of these flaps. You can learn to make this. This is 100% something you can do. And all these kind of fold back in together. That is just a phenomenal job. Jody, you're just an incredible artisan. And she's got some navy blue twine, which totally goes with the theme. Straight away, another beautifully fussy cut image here. I mean, look how pretty that is. Makes me feel like I'm hanging out at the beach. It's so pretty. There's actually a pocket attached to this page right here. So we've got a 4x6 spot and a 5x7. Again, gorgeous tab by Stampin' Up! Absolutely fantastic, Jody. Everything. A pop of red here brings this entire composition together. And her matting is outstanding. Look at this. Another one by the sea. Look how pretty. She put the rope there and it's got a 3-layered cluster going on. These are all little separate pieces that she put together. Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Love the red. Look how she bounces a diagonal here of the red. Everything's coming together. This is just, look at these little pieces. I love it. Beautiful 5x7 spot. Super easy, just plug and play. Oh my gosh, again, the tutorial I'll leave as a link down in the description. You click it and you start watching. And wow, I can't wait to see what you make. And don't forget to share it on our community there. I would love to see it. What a beautiful array of images here. Little 2x2 spots right on the back of that envelope magnetic closure. Wow. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh man, I'm running out of words. Jody, this is just mind-boggling. Absolutely mind-boggling. Look at this. This image totally stands upon beautifully on that little wood grain stripe paper. I love it. I think this book can hold anywhere from 60 plus pictures. I mean, we got 2x2s, super fun. This blew my mind right here. Look at this. These are fussy cut little flags. And it's part of this matting portion. And she's got a cutiful, wow, that's a new word, beautiful place. A perfect little sticker edition right there. Sometimes I don't know where to put stickers, and Jody, you have totally helped me figure out what I should be doing. Thank you so much for all your inspiration. It's unbelievable. unbelievable. Look at that gorgeous. Wow. This is an on-page pocket, double stacked right here. There's an angle here, and she totally matted that gorgeous fussy cut image there onto some black cardstock, and it totally makes it pop. We've got 5x5 spots here. Beautiful cluster. Look at another one. These are all separate. Isn't that fantastic? Look at this. I mean, this is amazing. Love this coordination. We got blues going on here. We've got this popping off the page and a little bit of that red bouncing through. This has been beautifully matted, beautifully created, and just very thought through. It's magnificent. Let's get a close-up on this one. Wow. It has been an absolute pleasure to flip through this with you guys. Again, Jody, thank you so much. Hugs to you. Thank you for allowing me to share this with everyone. I know they're going to have inspiration totally drawn from your beautiful piece of artwork. And it was so amazing to meet you in person. Thank you everyone so much for joining me, and I'll see you all next time.